There's DieselDucy.
Yeah, Esco elevator, GA buttons.
Wow.
I don't see this very often.
1957.
It doesn't have a door. Oh, it does have a door button.
Yes.
Is this hydraulic or traction?
Hydraulic. It's an Esco.
Alright.
Ready? Yes.
Yeah, they just all they did was replace the columns. Look at this. Look at this. Just let the door close. Let me see something here.
GAL.
Yeah, it's got the
Bumper. Look at that fan.
This is elevator service company. That's what Esco stands for.
Right?
You look here. So they painted over the panel.
But it's still beautiful.
They put that in. Other than that, this is original. I think the pump. Let me see something here. We'll see if you can reverse directions. No, it doesn't. It remembers the call.
I think we're now going down at leveling speed.
Yeah. It remembers some of these older elevators. I think this controller's been replaced.
Yes.
The older elevators would stop, and then you could change directions.
Alrighty.
This looks just like the Imperial elevator in Roanoke.
There's DieselDucy.
This is neat.
Yes. So we're on one.
Yeah, let's see something here. Listen.
Whoa. Now we're going up at leveling speed.
This is an interesting controller.
Yes.
Listen to the motor. Alright, now let me look at this upstairs. This building is really cool.
From the late 50s.
What year did you say this was built according to property records?
57.
57. Runs fantastic. I wonder what kind of controller this has.